Hello folks, in this video we will make one simple counter like this using only HTML, CSS and JS. So let's get right into it. So I am at my VS Code and I have made 3 empty files: the index.html file, the style.css file and the script.js file. I'll close the left section and add the boilerplate. I will change the title to counter. We can click on refresh and we can see the title is being reflected. Now I will link the style.css file and I'll link the script.js file in the body section. Now I will add the heading. We can see the heading is being reflected. Now I will make one button container class. Inside we will have 3 buttons. Now the first button will have the ID of minus. The second button will have the ID of reset. And the third button will have the ID of plus. Now lastly, we need to add the score. So we will add a div with the ID of score. Let's keep the score 0 as of now. So we can see the buttons and the score is being added, but this doesn't look good right now. So we will add some styles. First of all, in the body, I will change the font family to Arial Helvetica, and then I will add one background color to, let's say, light cyan. Now in the button container, I will add display flex, and then I will add justify content space around. Now for every button I will add some styles. I will add border 2 pixel solid black. Now this looks close to a button, but we can make it better. We will add padding of 5 pixels and we will add one background color of, let's say, light coral, and we will also add a border radius of, let's say, 10 pixels. Now this looks much more like a button. Now I also need to add some styles to the h1 tag, and we will add text align center. Yeah, now it looks good. Now we will add some styles to the score also. We will add, let's say, text align center, and we also need to add some margin. Let's add some margin top to be, let's say, 10 pixels. Let's make it 20 pixels, and let's increase the size, font size, let's make it 2 rem. Yeah, now it looks good. Now we will go to script.js, and first of all we will identify the DOM sections. So first of all we will write let minus equals to document get element by ID of minus. We will add for the other buttons also. And lastly for the plus. Now we have to add also for the score. And we will add one score counter. We will initialize it to 0. Now in the minus, let's add one event listener. The event will be click, and when it is clicked, I want to run this function, and this function will be score counter will be decreased by 1, and this minus, the score will be changed. We can test it. So we can see the minus is working. Now similarly we have to add the event listeners for the reset and the plus. So we will write, okay, let's just copy this thing because the code is similar. So for the reset, we will add score counter to be 0. That is, it will start from 0 again, and score.inner.html will be score counter, and for the plus, score counter will be added by 1. So we can click on minus, it's working, we can click on plus, it's also working, and we can click on reset, it's also working. So that's it for this video. We have made our counter. I will also leave a GitHub repo link of this project in the description below, so you can grab the code from there. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.